gonna start looking at her, hey, face me, because if you don't, this can happen.
Because now you're working with the decoy. The decoy's gonna bring the dog out when the dog looks to you, but the dog needs to know how to work on his.
Hey! 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 Good guy! Good guy! Hey! Hey! Good guy! Hey!
See how I'm trying to where I'm at? He always knows where the dog's gonna be.
Hey!
And the dog's not moving, right?
Oh!
So if you're missing, he wants some water, he can come into it.
Hey!
You just crush him.
Hey! Ah!
Now, if he has her on the bite, I got tension. That's a girl.
Hey!
Good. Go up to him, Brady.
Hey!
I've got tension, so she's going to want to stay on. If he starts to fall off, he's going to tell me to back off. Right?
Hey!
And now she's down.